How to obtain $100 in Uber Eats promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'm going to talk about how can you obtain $100 in Uber Eats promotional codes. So let's kick things off. First of all, open your favorite web browser and next enter Uber Eats promo codes in the URL box into the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This will generate a list of various website links. Feel free to explore any of the links. For example, I'll be checking out the coupon folder. Upon entering the site, you will discover a plethora of the discounts and promotions available. Push you through offers such as $15 off, $25 off, $20 off, and more. Uber Eats is a well-known food delivery service owned by Uber Technologies, providing customers with a seamless way to order food from a wide range of restaurants and have it delivered directly to their location. Accessible through the Uber Eats app or the Uber app itself, users can browse through a diverse section of the restaurants in their vicinity, view menus, specials, and customization options before placing an order. To take advantage of the discounts on your order, make sure you use of these promo codes and deals. If any of the offers catch your eye, click on Show Coupon Code over here and be sure to take note of expiration date of the code. You can then copy the code for the later use. Launch the Uber Eats app and log into your account, and at checkout, apply the code to ensure the discount. If you wish to use the code immediately, select Redeem at Uber Eats. This will redirect you to the official Uber Eats website. Log into your account and apply the code at the checkout. Additionally, explore other websites for more enticing deals and offers. That wraps up today's tutorial. This is the method to acquire $100 in Uber Eats promo codes. If you found this video to be helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.